Wisconsin. Businesses alight, dump trucks on fire, the corrections office torched. Some brought signs. By night, others had brought their guns and were met with tear gas, while riot police tried to protect the courthouse. Widespread anger has been fuelled by another police shooting of an African-American man, Jacob Blake, seen walking around the front of an SUV. Two officers are behind, one with his gun pointed at the man's back. Blake opens the driver's door, his back to the police. It's then 7 shots are fired. The 29-year-old is fighting for his life in hospital. His fiancée says 2 of Blake's young sons were in the back seat. She was there too.
That man literally just grabbed him by his shirt and looked the other way and was just shooting him with the kids in the back screaming.
What began as a police call-out to a domestic incident in Kenosha, now the latest trigger point amid a resurging tide of racial unrest across America. A curfew and the National Guard couldn't stop the second night of fury. A car yard, buildings, even a Black Lives Matter sign torched, a clear bullseye on police.
Oh, he just got bricked.
And let me be clear, this was not an accident. This wasn't bad police work. This felt like some sort of vendetta being taken out on a member of our community.
The 2 Wisconsin officers involved are on leave while there's an investigation.